Um, Ever wonder what movies are captivating audiences right now? This weekend saw a diverse range of films vying for the top spot, from animated adventures to gripping dramas. Let's dive into uh, the box office results and see which titles reign supreme. Um, Richard Linklater's Blue Moon offered a biographical look at lyricist Lauren's heart, earning 585,879 theaters in its second week. Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, the movie Infinity Castle continued its strong run, grossing $625,000, reaching a total of 132,362,639. Yorgos Lanthimos's Bugonia made a splash with a remarkable $40,588 per theater average from just 17 locations. Gabby's Dollhouse, the movie, charmed families with $700,000 from 1,372 theaters, bringing its total to 31,190,690. Horror fans flocked to The Conjuring Last Rites, which added $730,000 to its impressive 176,741,103 total. Truth and Treason resonated with audiences, earning $933,075 from 1,701 theaters. Roofman proved to be a crowd pleaser, bringing in $2 million from 2,347 theaters, while Paul Thomas Anderson's Epic, One Battle After Another, captivated viewers with 2,330,000 from 1,473. Shelby Oaks delivered a chilling experience, grossing $2,350,000 in its opening weekend. Good Fortune offered a comedic twist, earning $3,100,000 from 2,990 theaters. Sci-fi enthusiasts embraced Tron Ares, which brought in $4,900,000 from 2,940 theaters. Springsteen Deliver Me From Nowhere offered a glimpse into the life of the music icon, earning $9,100,000 from 3,460 theaters. Regretting You, Tugged at Heartstrings, grossing $12,850,000 in its opening weekend. But the true champion of the weekend was Black Phone 2, which brought in $13 million from 3,460 theaters. And finally, leading the pack with a remarkable 17,250,000 from 3,003 theaters was Chainsaw Man, the movie Rezark. It seems audiences couldn't resist the thrilling continuation of Denji's story. Speaking of chainsaws, did you hear about the lumberjack who opened a movie theater? He said he wanted to make a cutting edge experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.